My wife and I rode our bikes about 8 miles or so to the mall, to the Valencia Mall. About another 8 miles back. I'm so proud of her. This is a tough ride, and she is a trooper. See her pulling up right there? Here she comes. She's the toughest woman I know. Good job, babe. Yay. You're doing great. You're doing great.
Huh?
You're doing great.
The wind.
Yeah.
It's like
It's all right, though. You're doing good.
horrible. I was like, oh my God.
All right. Almost home. Kinda.